So I've had this cough that's kept me up for about 3 days. I'm only getting 1 to 2 hours of sleep every day because I can't stop coughing. I have lots of drainage and I'm really congested. I had COVID and I've recovered, but I can't get rid of this cough. So my mother-in-law is from Mexico and she told me about this remedy of boiling all these ingredients in a big pot and drinking the tea. But then I went on TikTok and I saw other different recipes, different ingredients. So I thought I would combine everything and do like the other people have been doing on TikTok and just refrigerate it and add it to hot water and drink as needed. So tried that, and this is the first time in 3 days that I've gone this long without coughing. I went ahead and added essential oils in. That's not really necessary for everybody, but that's just what I had. My ginger was bad, so you can use dry ginger. Um, you can use whatever essential oils you want to use, but this was just what I had on hand. Um, Make sure if you're using essential oils that it is the type that can be ingested. But if you want to use the dry, you can as well. I also added cinnamon, which I was not able to record, and I added about 1 tablespoon of the powdered cinnamon, but you can also do cinnamon sticks in the hot water and drink it that way with the mixture. I hope this works for you guys. It worked for me.